Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Kia Sportage transmission fluid. This process is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's health. First, ensure your Sportage is parked on a perfectly level surface. Then, you'll need to warm up the engine and transmission fluid to its normal operating temperature, typically between 122 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Gather your tools, including a ratchet, torque wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Next, safety is paramount. Carefully lift your Sportage using jack stands, ensuring all four wheels are elevated and the vehicle remains level. You will then need to remove the under-engine cover to gain access to the transmission. Look for the transmission fluid check plug, which is typically a plastic plug located on the side of the transmission housing. This plug is key to assessing your fluid level. Now, with the engine still running, carefully get inside and slowly shift the gear selector through all positions, from park to drive and back, pausing for at least 2 seconds in each. Repeat this sequence twice, then leave the shifter in neutral. With your drain pan ready, remove the transmission fluid check plug. A thin, steady stream of fluid flowing out indicates the correct level. If no fluid emerges from the check plug, your transmission fluid is low. You'll need to add approximately 700 milliliters of the manufacturer-recommended Roman 4 automatic transmission fluid through the filler hole. Continue adding small amounts until a thin, steady stream begins to flow from the check plug opening. Finally, reinstall the check plug, tightening it to about 4 to 5 Newton meters, and secure the under-engine cover. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.